uNkulunkulu kuphela kwazi kusasa lami, omunye mthiya zoqamba amanga, ongobuyena wavika umadidi ngalangadi wathi wangena first ngalangadi obathi uyena bathi wafika usathane bathi uyena. So guys, one of you requested this song, okay? Uyena by Java, okay? So this song is mostly sang around the original key of this song is F sharp, okay? So I will first break it down in G sharp, and yeah, I will first break it down in G sharp and break it down in F sharp and in C sharp, okay? So please don't forget to subscribe if you are new in this channel, all right? So this song is very simple. It's a chorus, okay? It's a chorus. So it starts on this chord. uNkulunkulu yena yazi kusasa lami, abathi bayazi uqamba amanga, ngoba uyena. Yeah, this one, okay? But uyena uNkulunkulu kuphela wazi kusasa lami. It's like uNkulunkulu kuphela wazi kusasa lami. Like you can play around this chord, okay? uNkulunkulu kuphela kwazi kusasa lami, abethi bayazi uqamba amanga, angobuyena Very simple progression. I hope you can all see it. It's like 1 uNkulunkulu wazi kusasa lami, 1, okay? 5, okay? Ngobuyena 2, 1, then 4, then 1. Ngobuyena 2, 1, 4, then 1. You see, the progression is very simple. uNkulunkulu bathi wafika usathane nebandla lakhe, samnquma phansi obathi uyena yedwa, bathi uyena yedwa, okay? Very simple. Bathi ta 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 ta, bathi uyena. Like very simple. This one, then go to this one, then this one, again this one. So I hope you saw it in G sharp. So before any waste of time, let's go straight to F sharp, okay? So this is the original of this song, original key of this song, okay? So in F sharp it starts right here. This one, it starts on 1, first inversion, okay? Bathi wafika usathane nebandla lakhe, thina samnquma phansi angobuyena, sorry, not this one but this one, it's like yena yedwa angobuyena. Okay, I hope you can see it. Very simple, okay? Very, very, very simple, okay? 1, 5, 2, 1, 4, 1, okay? It's like second inversion, 2, second inversion 1, then 4, then 1, first inversion, okay? Very simple. So I hope we saw it in F sharp. Okay, the progression is very simple. You just play like this until the end of the song. Ne? That was F sharp. Let's go to C sharp. Okay, so in C sharp it starts right here. This one. Batuyena. I hope we can all see it. Okay, or let me play it here. Ne? Unkulunkulu yatewazi exasala wabobata sisasala wabuyena batuyena. So I hope we can all see it. Very simple. So I like on a higher notes, not lower notes. Okay, so like I like playing it here. This one. After this one, you go to this one. Then you go to this one. Then you go to this one. Then you go to this one. You close it. The progression is the same, ne? Ta 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 batuyena. So this is our song. I hope you all saw it. Then yeah, let me play